Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to link pages in Wix Studio. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for wix.com. That's right. And then all you have to do is to log into your account. After that, okay, so just have to make sure that this is the correct account. Okay, and then we have here the site options. You just have to tap on this one, and then you'll be able to see here now your sites. Okay, so you also have the option to create new site right here. So we have Studio Template, Studio Blank Canvas, Studio Sitemap, and Wireframes, or use the Wix Editor. So for this one, we're just going to edit or customize an existing website. So just tap on the edit site, and then another tab will open. And then after that, right here, just going to customize this one. Okay, so for example, for our pages, we have here different pages. So to link your pages, all you have to do is to tap on, or select a specific word or text that you want to use. So for example, this one right here. So I'm just going to add a new element. Okay, for example, I'm just going to add here title. I'm just going to put it right there. Okay, so after this one, I'm just going to name this one as click here. Okay, so let me just tap out right here, click here. That's right. And then you can also customize this text. Okay, so let me just put this one right here. Okay, so here we have this link option. So all you have to do is to tap on this one, but before that, of course, we can also customize the text. So we have here the design, you have the style, and then if you would like to change the color of the text, so you have that right here as well. Okay, and then if you would like to add animation and effects, so you just have to go here and then just choose your animations and effects. So again, let's highlight this text and then tap on the linked option, and then here just have to select the page option. Okay, since we want to link to pages inside our Wix Studio or our Wix website. After that, right here for the page, you just have to choose your page. So for example, you would like to use this one to connect with your product page. So you just tap on the product page, and then which item. So we only have the activewear. You just have to choose it, and then after that, you just have to tap on done option. Okay, so here let us try to preview this edit. Okay, and then let us find that button. So here, when someone tap on it, so since we have linked this to our product page, so they will be directed to our product page. Okay, so we have that one right here. So since we have selected the activewear, then we will be redirected to this site. Okay, so let's go back and edit our site. You can actually go to another page as well. Okay, so let me just go to our contacts. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then I'm just going to close the section right here. Okay, so for example, we're going to use this one right here to connect with our other page. So again, you just have to do the same. Just tap on the linked option, and then you just have to choose which page. For example, home page. Okay, so click on done. You can also remove this grid below the text. So you can also do that if you don't want this one to appear here. Okay, so you just have to go here and then customize, and then I just have to uncheck that. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.